way to measure how fast we would fall. You say nothing's wrong, well, I'm alright, and I know dreams are darker in the night. And I say don't let it go, let's hold on tight, but you know only we can make it right. Let's get lost. 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 I don't wanna lose you, baby. Let's get lost. I know we're back together.
Another day, another dollar.
Right now.
Ah, that boy said he want the trade.
Oh shit. Oh.
Oh.
Yo, lift up on the hood. The hood light is broken. What's up? Flat trade right now, bro. Dang, bro. Look at that maintenance, bro.
Whee.
AC compressor, water pump, alternator.
He just did all of that.
He just did everything.
Valve cover gaskets, crank seal.
New master cylinder.
That's brake master cylinder, battery, all that.
Yo, you got all this stuff, bro. You're fucking lucky.
Hell yeah.
Stock shit.
Most of these shits are missing.
AC works nice and good. Interior.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be doing the review on the 5-speed manual Lexus IS300. So guys, this is the new car. Last review, as you guys could tell, my boy had the LS. Now he has the 5-speed manual IS. As you guys could tell, everything's pretty clean. The wheels have been resprayed though. Kind of shitty, but it's pretty clean for the price we got it for. Just has that right there. Nice little back bumper gash, but nothing too hard. It's been debadged. All she needs really is a good sand and respray. Yeah, let's check out this interior real quick. If you guys never seen the side of IS300 manual, this is how it looks. Seats come with leather on the outside and then like a cloth suede material with like little holes so it doesn't keep the smell or anything. It's pretty clean. Check out the back. It's pretty clean. I'm gonna show you the odometer. Has 160K. 160K. Clean title. Mad goodies, honestly. Lord knows why he did this. He sprayed the grill silver, but it is what it is. We gonna give her some love, guys. All right, guys. Motor reveal. Da-da-da. Another super reliable Lexus motor. 2JZ GE. They changed what is it? Water pump, alternator, AC compressor. Yeah, he pretty much, as you guys can see, he pretty much put brand new parts and sealed it up. He added oil yesterday, that's why.
Yeah, I did add a fucking quart.
But yeah, guys, this is the IS300. Now we're gonna go on a little test drive and see how she's riding. Oh, that shit opened up stupid fast. Damn, you barely put your plates on. It's just about to fly off. Nice, good space. You can open it up from the back seat.
Really clean. I was doing some research and like the oil filter's in a shitty ass spot supposedly. It's like right there. Yeah, it is.
Oh shit. If I didn't say it yesterday, guys, he bought this car from a guy that was mute. If you guys don't know what that is he's deaf and he can't talk. So he had to type on his phone and tell us everything.
Yeah, you got all
But yeah, he repaired mad stuff.
But water pump on these is really easy. Supposedly, yeah, to replace.
Turn the wheel a little bit that way. smooth. This AC already got the car crispy cold. That's that Lexus AC for you. Alright boys, you know what happens after you hit this left turn right here. If you know, you know. Alright guys, we are going to be doing a little test drive on this IS300. That boy got the IS300, man. Quick shit, man. Shit popped up yesterday, copped it today. That's how you got to do it.
Actually sit in the back of this shit. Kind of comfortable. That's not bad.
Oh damn, I see why you was jerking that shit. Word. That shit is sensitive.
It's stocky.
Oh, I'm rev matching. It's just you can't hear it. That's why.
Exhaust pipe.
Yeah, that's what you need. Once you get an exhaust, you'll be able to hear it better. And then you'll know like when the fucking gas pedal's going. You can't really tell. It's been riding smooth though, I ain't gonna lie. Like a little fucking, for a little daily. I wouldn't mind driving some shit like this.
Handles pretty well.
Yeah, this shit's responsive. In my Z, I could turn it like this far and it still doesn't do nothing. I see why. This shit's mad responsive. It's because it got that Lexus shaped pedal, that's why. The gas.
You did it, rev match?
A little bit.
Send it.
Nah, I ain't gonna send it. On the way back.
Alright.
Just one time. Cruising now. Got yourself a nice little daily.
Word.
Yeah, she rev matching. Let me see something real quick. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this turn right here. We're gonna fucking send this shit. Look how quick that was for 80.
That's nice.
You whipping the hoe now. Stop playing.
Oh, this is nice. Like, Andrew got a new car?
Andrew way.
On a doggy. Can I?
Oh, straight road.
This is nice. This is really smooth.
Damn, Drew, you know how to fucking drive stick pretty good.
I mean, I had to.
I've
But
never even seen you drive stick before.
I work in a mechanic shop, bro. I have to. If I don't, cops is over there and shit.
Oh shit. Oh, Stolito. It's the hell this time, that's why.
This sounds so sexy. You're a lucky son of a bitch. I want this shit. What the fuck? Trade me, bitch.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this nice little IS300 review. 5-speed. Yeah, man. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling foggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.